The high-speed electric train, the Metroliner, has been working on the best railway for almost 3 months. But he has almost finished the repairs on the old steam locomotive. There is only 1 week left until the Metroliner's work is done. Reggie, the engine driver, has been driving the high-speed train ever since he was treated for a shock after his last accident. Since then, the line was granted extra funding for an extension. Let's go see what's happening.
Reggie, good to see ya! Green, I haven't seen you since the talent show. What's new? Nothing really. How's the Metroliner handling? Like a charm. The old steamer was rough and noisy and hot and could throw you off the footplate if it hit a bad piece of track. You mean like... Don't bring that up. Okay. But I loved that engine. The Metroliner's a whole new experience though. It glides majestically along the line, and it's so quiet you could fall asleep at the controls. Not that I have. You better hurry, man. The 12:05 is due at 12:05. I'd better get going. Good to see you again, Green. What a wonderful day for a drive. Oh, great. Perfect. What a place to break down. Oh dear Lord! There we go. Everything's done. You sure you're okay, Reggie? Oh yeah, no permanent damage. Nothing a warm bath can't soothe. Okay. Well, 12:05 has no chance of being on time. You better start her up before the boss gives you a box. Okay, we get it. What kind of mechanic are you? This train has bugger all power! Keep trying. Well, your car's ready to go. Oh, let me have a look. Wait a minute. That's a car engine! But if that's a car engine, then where's... Oh, shit! Marvelous! This is a complete disaster! Worse than what happened almost 3 months ago! I'm sorry, sir, but it's not our fault! Yes, I know that. I shall call Nubby and have the mechanic fired before he can say Sterling single! Sterling sick. We need to find another engine before tomorrow, or we're out of business! Why? Tomorrow the Sodor Island Forum guys arrive. That's where we make our profit to keep running for the rest of the year. The prices go up 300% so we can rip them off all day, every day. And if there's no trains, there are no punters. And if there are no punters, there's no money. And if there's no money, there's no railway! Dear Lord, this is serious! It's lucky it was a 12:05 that crashed. Had it been a 20:55, we'd been screwed. Okay, I'm not understanding you. Well, I'll put it in layman's terms. We need the new train. We need time to find the new train. We haven't got much, but at least we've got some. So go out and find me a new engine before tomorrow, or we're all fired! Okay! At once, sir! Hello. Are you Herman?
Nein, I am Herr Mann.
That's what I said.
Welcome to my loco yard. I have all kinds of engines. Steam, diesel, electric, Lego, Hornby, 00 gauge, N gauge, L gauge, Take-along, Brio, ARTL, and no others.
What does Herr Mann mean? It's German for Mr. Man. Does that mean he's one of the Mr. Men in Germany then? Does he know Mr. Happy? Ask him, Reg! Ask him! Stupid boy!
You want to see the engines we currently have up for sale? This one just came to us.
Looks good. Wrong gauge, but I suppose Mr. Hack can fix that. Oh, Soda Island won't like
that. Moving right along.
I don't think so. Way too big. Or small. Absolutely not! Look, haven't you got any 9-volt L-gauge engines?
Oh, 999. Sold our last one earlier today.
Buggeration! Well, do you know anywhere where we can get one?
Nein, they're hard to come by these days. What with the move up to RC control. Ein Moment, I have an idea.
Hello, Winkstead Hall.
Hello. I have a message for his lordship. The desk railway requires Bessie for 1 week. If this is in order, she must arrive before 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Certainly. I'll tell his lordship immediately. Goodbye.
With bats in the belfry and beetle in the beams, the stately home of England is not all that it seems. A constant battle must be fought to fend off all decay. The only way to meet the cost is hold an open day.
Excuse me, your lordship, but we just received a message from the desk railway asking if they can borrow Bessie for a week. Of course! It's run by my old friend Top Hat, and I still owe him a favour. If we're to be on time, we must begin our journey at once. Come on, Brackett, let's get changed. Where is he? The first train leaves in 15 minutes, and the Solar Island members are arriving already. This is bad. Thomas and the Magic Railroad bad? On that level. Well, maybe he's just not coming. Where can we get a train now? Here's one in that museum up in Titfield. Now it's been done. Oh, I can't take it anymore. There's gonna be no train, and no train means no money, and no money means no job, and no job means no pay, and no pay means no coke. Cola or smokeless fuel? Neither actually. Well, I've had enough. Let's go get completely hammered and try to score some birds. There's only Crystal. Enough drug references, you junkie shithead! Crystal, works at the hospital, forward sort of girl. Maybe. Look, there it is! Hello there. Do you know where Top Hat is? Belborough, my dear friend. How is everything in Winkstead Hall? Not bad, thank you. Business is a bit slow, but I'm hoping you can help me. You tell those chaps from Sodor Island to visit Bessie at my estate next year, and you'll really help me bring some extra money in. Excuse me, but the train is due in 5 minutes. Oh dear, we've lost track of time. I'd better hand Bessie over to your most experienced driver. That'll be me. Well, good luck.
And so, for the rest of the week, Bessie pulled all of the passenger trains, with Reggie and Dion on the footplate. The Sodor Island members were thoroughly pleased with the service. And Top Hat succeeded in milking every last penny from them. But on the final day, everything changed.
Whoa! Where'd you get the cool set of wheels? The AA gave it to me. Alcoholics Anonymous are giving out cars? They must be trying to cut the numbers. This week has been incredible. I've made more than enough to keep the line going for the year, and this train's going to be our most lucrative yet. You're not wrong there, sir. Well, we got a good fire going, plenty of steam, and a full tender. What could possibly go wrong? You just had to say that, didn't you? You'll be able to fix it, won't you? Yes, but it'll take a while. We don't have a while! The train is due in 5 minutes! Also, I'm not sure Bessie will be able to pull the coach. What? Why not? She's only a small engine, and although your regular steam engine can pull the weight, Bessie can't. Besides that, the coach is overloaded. Well, we'll give it a try. Good man. But no dilly-dallying or Jim 522 will get angry. So? Did he turn into a huge green man with oversized muscles? Yes. We're screwed. Don't think like that. I know Bessie won't be able to pull that coach all the way, but we've got to try and see how far she'll manage. Right away! Come on, girl, you can do it!
Two hours later.
Now what? The stiff members won't like this. You know, I'm just gonna give up and go... What's that? I wonder if... What are you doing? Are you pondering what I'm pondering? I think so, but I doubt the voters will agree. Just kidding. Yes, I am pondering what you're pondering. Do you think we should do some tests first?
Hurry up, Jim 522's getting angry!
No time! Let's just go! What? How fast are we going? About 126 miles an hour!
126. That was the fastest speed of steam locomotive had ever been driven in the world.
That was incredible! We showed that even in tough situations, we can make it through without raising so much as a sweat. We raised a sweat on that last run. A cold sweat. I've got something warm in my pants. For your ingenuity, I'm giving you 2 a raise. Really? No! Now get back to work.
The very next day, the old steam locomotive arrived back on the railway looking as good as new. Bessie was refueled and taken back to Waitstack Hall, while the Metroliner remained on the railway, occasionally helping out with the trains. Top had pondered the lessons to be learned from this week, and what you would do if a similar situation should occur in the future. So just in case, he taught a smart new tank engine known as Little Western. Naturally, there were some teething troubles. But once more, that's another story.